Assalamu alaikum. Myself Alam Mirtazwar, Diploma of Computing Department in Information Technology. Currently working as an intern in COMNET Unicel. And our today's topic of event is WordPress portfolio. So before we start our WordPress session, our director of COMNET has sent us a welcoming speech that we shall start with.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi everyone. Thank you very much to the organizer and our beloved instructor, Mr. Tazwalam, and all of our participants. Thank you very much to join this event. First of all, I would like to thank very much to our brother Mr. Tazwa, give a beautiful idea and organize a very good event to make sure we can do a lot of technology to make it easy to our community. So I hope this event using WordPress can be useful, especially for our all participants. Maybe suitable for our businessman or maybe student, the beginner, the newbie to the technologies. So of course now we are in the Industrial Revolution 4.0, where information is not only at your fingertip but all about our life. Online purchasing, payment using a wallet, digital marketing are widely used. So make sure you take this opportunity and learn WordPress. And in COMNET, Center for Community Engagement, we are encouraged to do some community education focusing on the digital literacy. So I hope this event can give you some overview of how to use WordPress. So inshallah, enjoy your learning, and we see you again in next time. Thank you very much. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Okay, so we shall get started. So at first, we need to know what is WordPress. A portfolio has the power to attract or repel a viewer. It is the first impression of your online presence that viewer judges your product for. So you need a perfect portfolio. Otherwise, in simple words, a perfect portfolio is where a viewer gets what he is looking for. When a viewer visits, the portfolio should ease your potential viewers. They should be able to learn about the product or service that you provide without hassle, so that you can turn these potential viewers into real customers. So here WordPress will help you design a simple portfolio. So what is a portfolio? A portfolio is a standalone web page that a person lands on after clicking through from an email, ad, or other digital location. Once they are on your portfolio, users are encouraged to take an action, such as joining your list or booking for a service. If the user takes the specific desired action, then your portfolio has succeeded in getting them to convert. Why do you need a portfolio for your business? Portfolios are meant to facilitate a specific action you want a user to take in relation to your business objectives. They help to improve relationships with viewers, intelligence about your business, and the success of your marketing campaigns. Try using one in your next campaign and see for yourself. So how to promote a portfolio? Portfolios are a form of advertisement. Unlike your business website, the primary purpose of a portfolio is to promote one particular product or service. Typically, a website needs to provide an overview of everything you do and will offer an array of menu options for users to choose from. Conversely, a portfolio generally offers one call to action and one place to click. The text and design are all meant to lead the user to one specific place. So this is the portfolio cover image that our page will represent. Thus, it should be related to the category of the business portfolio. Example, photography. Pages in menu bar. Normally, portfolios should be simple and convenient. Thus, we shall have only two pages as shown in the menu bar. That is the portfolio itself and the about of the business. Example of a portfolio for business promotion. So this is the portfolio we can use to promote a photography business. We'll create this portfolio and the procedure to develop shall be explained as well. And in the end, we will have a contact us form. Viewers can use this contact form for any queries or shall give us feedback about our portfolio. The details shall be received by the organization email that's linked with the WordPress portfolio site. Okay, so this is our about page of the portfolio. So this is the place where we basically share the details of the business portfolio and some contents of the owner. This is the owner of the business, and we shared some details and few of his contents presented in the about section so that the viewers get to know all the info in case they look forward for services. So let's head to our portfolio using WordPress. So the first thing we do is go to wordpress.com, and once you are inside WordPress, we're going to create an account first. So just click on Get Started. So here you can just put your email, choose a username and choose a password and click on create your account. So your account shall be created after that. Or you can choose your Google ID or your Apple ID to continue with. So I already have a account that I'm gonna be using now. So I'll just log in. So we are inside the WordPress now. Let me show you what we are going to design today basically. So this is the web page that I designed, the portfolio using WordPress. So as you can see, we have a tagline, we have our logo, we have the business name, which is the title, 2 pages, about and portfolio. Then there's our big cover image. Then we have our portfolio title and the portfolio itself. So as you can see, the images are very clear and organized. You can share your own contents, your own portfolio basically. So the first page that shows once you enter the website is the portfolio itself, and then later we'll go to the about section. But for now, let's see what else we have in the portfolio. So after the gallery, we have a cover image with a fixed background and a slogan. So this is the slogan, this is the cover image, and as you can see, the background is fixed. So when we scroll, the background stays stable and it looks quite nice. So we're gonna learn how to do so as well. And in the bottom of the page, we have the contact us form for the viewers to send any queries or feedbacks. So we put the options for name, phone number, email, and message, and the button to contact. So that's all we have in the portfolio page. Now let's go to the about page, which is here. Alright, now we are at the about page. So here, after the cover image, we have a title, which is the page name, which is about, and some history of the business. This is called a paragraph. After that, we have a media and text. So in the media, we have the picture of the business portfolio CEO himself and some details or history of the business. After the media and text, we have a gallery, some pictures taken by the CEO himself, and on the third section here we have another media and text, which is the co-owner. So the name, and then we have the details of the co-owner, basically similar to the first media and text here. And again, a gallery of the pictures taken by the co-owner, just to show or present in the about section. Alright, so let's get started with the developing or designing part. The first thing we do is create a site, or you can see add new site here. Click here. Okay, now my site is basically the name for your website or portfolio. So I'm gonna name it Behind the Lens 2023, just for an example. Then click on continue. So here you'll see a few options to choose a domain. So we're gonna use the free one, which is behindthelens2023.wordpress.com. So if you want to get rid of the WordPress tagline here, then you have to pay, which is basically buying a domain. Then you can have your own business name and .com. So but for now, I guess we're going to use the free one, which is .wordpress.com. So just select the free one and click continue. Now comes the part to choose a design. So we're going to start from scratch, or that you know as blank canvas. Which features will you need? So we're gonna skip that for now. We don't need it now. We'll choose those later. Now the domain section came again. We will choose the free one. These are the options we have with the free website or the portfolio that we'll be designing, which has a 3 GB of storage space, and click on select. Okay, so our portfolio web page has been successfully created. So now if we click on our site here, as you can see, it's empty. That is what we are going to design now. So before we do that, I'm going to open our previous portfolio just to relate with the present one. This is the previous WordPress portfolio that we just showed and that we are going to design now. Alright, so let's get back to our current web page, and as we can see, it's empty right now. So the first thing we do is click on Appearance Themes. So the theme that we used for the portfolio is Karuna. I personally prefer Karuna because it's very simple and elegant design, and it's for free. So just search for Karuna and it should show up here. Select the theme. Here's few details about the theme. Just click on activate this design. So it should take few seconds to activate the design, and once it's done, click on customize site. Alright, so it has taken us to our customize section of the site, or the portfolio that we are going to design. So just to relate, we have a tagline, which is photography portfolio, that I'll just copy for now. You can write your own taglines. So here, click on site identity, and the first option that we have is a logo. So you can upload your own logo. I'll select from here. This is my logo for the portfolio. Okay, so click on select logo, click on select files, and open your logo. So I just downloaded my logo in the desktop section and click open. Okay, so our logo has been uploaded. Now click on select. So I'm gonna crop this logo to in a square shape. Okay, there you go. Click on crop image. This is a random logo I'm using right now. You can use your own logo. I'm just using it to show you how it's done. Alright, as you can see, our logo has been uploaded. Our logo is here, our business title is here, and the thing we're missing is the tagline here. So we're gonna put that right here. So let's get back to the previous portfolio again. Copy the tagline and paste it here. Alright, there you go. After that, we have the site icon, which is basically the same as the logo. It's just gonna show here instead of the WordPress logo. So we just upload the logo again, click on select site icon, and upload the logo that we just used, and click select. So as you can see here, once a viewer opens our portfolio, that's gonna be our site icon. So in the site identity section, we are done. Just save the changes. Now let's get back, and we are going to go to header image. In the header image, as we know, we are designing a photography portfolio. I'll use a photography picture, so I'll just download it right now. Okay, so these are the images that I'll be using in my portfolio, and let's go to the header image again and click on this button right here to change the header image and click add new image. Select upload files, select files, open the picture that you want to upload as a cover, and I'm going to use this as my cover image. Click on select and crop image. Seems like it's a little too big to be a cover image, so we're gonna choose a different one. So let's try and use this. Select and crop. Okay, so we have the crop section now, and here, okay, click on crop image, and as you can see, our cover has been set. So now make sure you save the changes, and now let's get back to our WordPress. So if we click on our site again, let's just see what we have designed so far. We have the tagline, our logo, our business title, and the cover image. After that, we don't have anything because we didn't design any page yet. So to do so, let's go to WordPress again and search pages here. This is the pages section here. In the pages, click on add new. So here you can see there's a lot of templates, but I'm gonna use a blank page. We're gonna start from scratch. So just click on blank page. Alright, in the title section is basically the name of our page. So it's going to be portfolio. Alright, so this is the portfolio we just wrote, and after that we have the gallery itself. So to add that, we're going to go to our page and click on this plus button right here, which is to add a block. Click on add block and search for tiled gallery. This one. Just select this one. I'm going to use a wide width. So to change the width, click here and select wide width. Alright, now we are going to upload the portfolio images. And click open. So let's wait for our images to be uploaded. Okay, so once it's uploaded, make sure to select the option tiled columns, so it's more organized. You can use the other options as well. You can choose circles, you can choose square, but I prefer tiled columns. It's a very elegant looking portfolio. Alright, so what do we have after that? We have the about title, which is portfolio, then we have the gallery, and after that we have a cover image. So this is what we're going to design now. So the cover image is the fixed background and with a slogan, or that you call a title. Okay, so to do so, what we're going to do is go after the gallery. Always make sure after each block use a spacer, and spacers are used to create gap in between the blocks. So I'm going to use a 30px and then click on the plus button here, and we're going to search for cover there, and let's upload the cover image background that we want to use. So this is the one that we used previously. Let's upload, and in the title we paste the slogan. As you can see, it's in black color. We're going to make it white, so just select the color, select the text and select the color here. Alright, so now it's white, and as you can see the background is not fixed, so select the cover, and in the block section you will see the fixed background option. Turn it on. Alright, now the background is fixed, and we'll be using a full width for this block here. To do so, just click on these 3 lines and select full width. Alright, there you go. And seems like our cover image is a little too dark. To change that, we are going to decrease the opacity. Okay, I'll make it 0. It's more clear now. I'm going to change the size just by dragging it up. Alright, should be good enough. And after that we have a title and a contact form. So let's add that. Always remember to use spacers in between the blocks. So after this block we have to use one more spacer again. Just click on this add button and spacer. Drag it to change the size. I'll make it 30. And after that we are going to add a paragraph, which is gonna be basically our title. This thing here, contact us / any queries. So let's just copy and paste it here. Alright, now as we can see it's not aligned. To align it, we're gonna click on this thing here, 3 lines, and align text center. Let's make it bold. Select bold, change the size to maybe 42 or maybe 36. Alright, then we have the contact form. Just press enter and the plus should pop up here. Add block, always use a spacer. I'm going to be using a very small spacer now, around 10. Click on the plus button and search for contact form. There, this is the contact form. Just select, and as you can see our contact form has been added. So if you want to add more options, you can just duplicate each blocks inside the contact form. So just select a block. So I selected the name, click on the 3 dots and duplicate. Alright, so it has been duplicated. Now I'm gonna change it to phone number. Okay, and if you select on the block like this and click on edit form settings, you can select the email that you want the viewers to send the information to. So for now I selected my own personal email, Any information they put down here is going to be in my email. So this is how we're going to design the portfolio page. Now let's head to the about page, and before we do so, make sure to publish the page. Let's view our page. So we have the cover image, then we have the portfolio, and then we have a cover with a fixed background and the contact form. So if you want to change the size of your gallery, you can do that as well. So just go to WordPress, go to pages, and as you can see, our page has been published. Click on the three dots and click on edit. So I'm gonna make it a bit bigger. Just select the block and click on full width. It will change the size, and let's update. Let's view our page. Okay, so now it kind of looks better. Our portfolio is much bigger and it's full width. So okay, I'll keep it full width. And as we can see, after a portfolio, we don't have any spacer, so we're gonna add a spacer. Just press enter, click on the plus button, use a spacer. I'll keep it to 20 and update. Let's refresh our page. Alright, so as you can see, a space has been created in between here. Alright, now let's go to our second page, which is going to be the about. So let's go to WordPress, click on pages. We will set the portfolio as our home page. So just click on the three dots and set as home page. So to design the second page, which is the about, what we're going to do is click on the other page here, three dots, and edit. So let's add the title or the name of the page, which is about. Let's go back to our previous WordPress portfolio to see how we're going to design the about section. Okay, so this is how our about section is going to look like. So we have our page name, about, then we have a paragraph. So I'll just copy the paragraph now and paste it here. So just press enter, click on add paragraph, and let's paste. So the alignment, it's set to center. Click on the three lines here, align text center. After that, we have a spacer in between the media and text. So let's add a spacer, press enter, click on the plus button, add spacer. Drag it to change the size. I'll keep 20. And then we have the media and text. So just click on the three dots of the spacer and insert after. So it will create a new block. Click on the add button and search for media and text. Okay, so here is the media and text. Alright, so we'll upload this picture and write down the details of the CEO or the owner of the portfolio. So in content, let's write his name, the CEO, and in the paragraph section, just press enter, and paste. Alright, so I just copied the paragraph. You can write your own content about. Alright, let's upload the image. Click on upload, and okay, I need to download the files for about. Okay, I'll download both of them. I'll move them to desktop. Okay, let's click on upload again. Go to desktop and upload the file that we just downloaded. You can use your own picture. Alright, so we have designed this part here. After that, we have a 3-image gallery. So click on the 3 dots, insert after. Always remember to use a spacer. Click on spacer, change the size to, maybe I'll keep it 30, and click on 3 dots, insert after, click on the plus button, and we're gonna search for gallery. This. Click on upload. Upload the images taken by this person. I'm just showing as an example. So for example, these 3 are the photos taken by this person. Just open. So make sure you select this option here, crop image to fill the entire column. If you want the media and text to be the same size, but I'm gonna skip this. I'll keep it the way it is. Okay, so let's change the size of our gallery just by clicking on the block, and we're gonna make it wide width. Okay, what do we have after that? We have the second media and text, and something about the second co-owner. So click on the 3 dots, insert after, add a spacer. I'll keep it 30. Click on the 3 dots again, insert after, add block, media and text. So this time the media is going to be on the right. So to do so, just click on show media on right and then upload. So we'll upload the second owner image, which is this one, and in the content section we're gonna write the name. So I'm just copying it for now, and the details of this person. Okay, click on the block, 3 dots, insert after, add a spacer. Always remember to use the spacer. It looks way better if you use the spacer. Without it, it looks like stacked up. So I prefer to use a spacer. 3 dots, insert after, plus button, gallery, and upload the 3 images taken by this person. So for example, this 3. Okay, so our images has been uploaded. Now let's change the width to wide width and click on update. Let's view our page. So as you can see, we have the about title, the paragraph, the media and text, the gallery, our second owner, and then we have the gallery. So as you can see, the content here, it seems like it's too big, that's why it's not fitting in. So we'll change the size. Click on the content here, change the size to maybe 20 and make it bold. For this one as well, we're going to make it 20 and bold. Let's update. Let's refresh our page. Alright, so here's the name, the details, the name and the details of the media and text. So now it looks much better. So this is how you can design a simple portfolio with 2 pages. The home page is gonna be the portfolio itself. The cover, the contact form, and in the about, the details of the business owner or the owner of the portfolio. So that's all for today. Thank you everyone for participating, and we hope to see you guys in the future events as well.